Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Crown Tech. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can create an escrow website. And first of all, what is an escrow website, or what is an escrow business model? An escrow service is a kind of business model that has to do with you as the escrow being an intermediary between a buyer and a seller. So in the case whereby a buyer is afraid to lose his money, while a seller is afraid to lose his product or lose his goods or anything he's selling. So in that sense, an escrow comes in. It comes in between them in order to be an intermediary between the two of them, so that the buyer will not be afraid, the seller also will not be afraid. So in a short terms, some people do that a lot. Probably they make use of WhatsApp to do that, whereby they'll create an escrow group. The three of them will join the group: the escrow, the buyer, and the seller. So the buyer is going to send the money to the escrow, then the seller will send the product to the buyer. When the buyer confirms that okay, he got what he paid for, he will now tell the escrow service to settle the seller. So that's basically what an escrow service is all about. Now taking it up, you can create an escrow website in order to take your service to the next level. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step procedure, a step-by-step guide on how to create your own escrow website in order to start your own escrow service business. So as you can see, this never buy or sell online without escrow blah blah blah. You can log in and you can sign in. So what are you selling? You can select what you are selling. So if the owner of this site have set up this site, it will be showing everything. And if you come down, you see everything here. It is built for developers, by developer, protecting both buyers and seller. That's what escrow is made for. It is used to protect both the buyer and the seller, so that the two of them will not lose their money, and at the same time they will not lose their product. So if this is what you want, before we proceed, coming back to my YouTube channel, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Learn with Crown Tech. In this channel, all we do is to make video on how to create different kind of websites, be it a WordPress based website or a PHP script website. And also we drop video on how to make things easier for our users, for our viewers, our day-to-day activities. So if you come here, if you look at the variety of videos we are creating, we can see how to create HYP investment websites. Now this one is all about WordPress, how to embed Instagram feed. This one is talking about AI versus job. This one is talking about how you can earn $100 per week creating faceless AI video. So what I'm saying in essence is that my YouTube channel basically is a tech YouTube channel, whereby we talk about how to make money online and basically how to create websites, making use of WordPress or making use of PHP script. So if you are a developer, you'll be familiar with these terms I'm making mention. And if you are not a developer, you can start watching my YouTube video in order to get yourself familiar with what being a developer is all about. Now, without wasting much of our time, I'm going to take you through the process of creating this particular escrow website. But before we proceed, I would like you to do something for me. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you have not yet subscribed, and you would love to be getting access to videos like this, I will advise you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will not cost you anything. Just click the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button in order to always get notified anytime I post a video like this. Now, without much talk, let's go into business. So we want to create a website like this. First of all, let me show you how the admin looks like. So if I just put something like this /admin, is going to take me to the admin dashboard. going to take me to the admission dashboard. So this is the admin. So you can manage user, manage category, manage escrow, you can deposit, withdraw, subscriber, and all these things you can set it up yourself. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to show you how you can get this done all by yourself, even if you are not a developer, or if this is your first time developing a website. I'm going to break it down step by step, so that you are going to get the logic, you are going to get everything. So the first thing we need to do is, I would like you to watch this video from this very beginning to the end, so that you are not going to miss any part of this video. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get this particular script. And meanwhile, you can also check the description of this video in order to get more information about how to get this particular script I'm going to be using in this video to create this kind of website. So the first thing we are going to do is to log into our cPanel. We all know what our cPanel is all about, so I'm going to log into my cPanel. So I'll be doing that now. If you don't know what cPanel is all about, you can come here and come to my playlist. If you come to my playlist here, you are going to see build website. When you come here, or you can come to this build website, so you are going to learn about how to build various websites, and you are going to learn about domain and hosting. So when you buy your domain and hosting, you'll be given your cPanel. So you log into your cPanel. So I'll be logging to my cPanel now through the client area. Okay, here we are on our cPanel. So the first thing we need to do is go to our file manager. So when you come to your file manager, you are going to select the domain name where you want to install the website or install the script. So for my case, I'll be using this public_html, and under this public_html, I would like to create a folder to upload it. So you can see I already create a folder to install it. That's why I'm showing you this here. So for the case of this tutorial, I'm going to delete it. You understand? So I'll delete it. Let me select everything, then I'll delete it. So then I'll delete this also. So I'll click on add folder, then I can add this folder again. So when I add this folder again, I'll open it. So you can name your folder, you can give your folder any name. I'll click on upload. So when I click on upload, I'm going to click on select file from here. Then to take me to I have a script. What's it called? I'll click on script. So then I'll look for the escrow. So that's where I kept all my script file. So this is the one I'm using. I'll click on it and I'll select it. So I'll wait for it to load. So it's just 66.25 MB. So we'll wait for it to load. Because of our time, I could just pause the video, but it's not necessary because it's faster. Like, it's very fast, 50 something, and before you know it, we get 200 and we are done. So 70, 71. So if you want to get this script, just check the description of this video, or probably you watch this video to the end. You even need to watch it to the very end, because there are a lot of information I'll be dishing out. Because if you don't watch it to the very end, you might not really get the step-by-step procedure of how I'm going to be installing the script. So this is the first step. I'm going to create a folder. Under the folder, but if you don't want to put it on the folder, you can put it on the main directory of the website, so you don't need to create any folder. So now I'm creating a folder because the main directory of the website has been used for another purpose. So since it has been used for another purpose, I'll just create a different folder and put it. So already we are at 100%, but let's hold on a little bit so that it will actually upload everything for us. So because if you just continue now, at the end of the day it might not really upload everything, so we'll just wait a little bit. So while we are waiting, we'll come to this place in order to get the database. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete the database I've initially created before for this project. Now the reason is because I don't want it to conflict each other, and I want you to understand everything I'm doing. So the first thing I'll do, I'll delete it. So this is the escrow. I'm going to delete it. I'll delete the database here. I'll click on delete database. So after that, I'll go back to delete the user because I connected the database and the user. If you're a developer, you're familiar with what I'm saying. So this escrow too, I'll delete it. So after I've deleted it, I would have loved to create I would have loved to create the the database here, but I would like to hold on because I will have to be creating it and putting it where I'm supposed to put it. So you don't need to close this page. Then I'll come here. You should have uploaded. I'll click on this. So after clicking on this, I'll have to extract that script. So this is it here. I'll select it and I'll click on extract here. Then I'll click on the extract file. So I'll close it. It has been extracted, and I'll reload it. So after reloading, you can see what we are showing. So the first thing is open these files, select everything and move it to that folder. So can you see? So I'll move it to that folder. So that this is what we have now. You can now delete this if you want. If you don't want, you leave it, but it's better you delete it. Now what do we need? We need this install folder alone. So what do? We'll come to this place. What's the name of that my website? This is the name of my website. Now slash the folder, this is the folder, right, that we install everything. Now slash install that folder, this folder, that's what we need. So we'll slash install, then we'll send it. So after doing that, you'll see it's loading. It will take us to this place. Fine. If it takes you to this place, then you are still on the right path. So what do you need to do? You can use this script on only one domain. You can modify or edit as you want. You can translate to your choice of language. Can you see? This is very fine. So you said agree and click on next. So after this is what we need to do. We need to set all this permission to the correct one. So this core bootstrap cache is required to be on 775 permission, but it's already on 755. So everything here should be on 775 permission, but they are on 755 permission. So what do? We need to change it. So the first one is core bootstrap cache. So you come here, look for the core folder, open it, look for bootstrap folder, open it. Then this cache folder, you need to change it to 775 instead of 755. So what do? Double click on it, then change it. Can you see? 775. Then you save it. You have done that. Come back to the second one, core storage. So you go to core again, then the storage folder. This is the storage folder. Let me go back. This is the core, you open it. Then the core, now you look for storage folder. So trace it, double click again. Can you see? So it should be 775. That is done. Come back again, core storage app. So you come back. You now what you need to do is you open core folder, open storage folder again. Then you are going to what? Change this app folder. 775, right? The fourth one, core storage framework. So you come back under the same core storage, then framework, you change it to 775. Then the last one, core storage logs. These are the logs. So you can see we have 3 on the same folder, so that's fine. We don't need to be walking around. So all that has been changed. So after that has been changed, you can click on you can click on recheck. So although when you click on recheck, it's still we have changed it, but it's still saying we have not changed it. What do you need to do? Just delete this and reload that install folder again, so that when you reload it, by now it would have catch up with it. So it's still the same thing. So it's still the same thing. So what is happening? So 775 775 775. Let's go back. So everything is okay. Everything is okay. 775. Let's check it again. Call bootstrap cache. Okay, yeah, everything is okay. This problem. So but let's keep on checking, because it needs to this thing have to be checked. Everything has to be checked. If not, we are not going to get what we are looking for. So you can see we have actually checked it. We have actually changed it. 775, this 775. Call bootstrap cache 775. So what is really happening? So let's take it from the start again. So we can clear the browser cache. Let's clear browser cache. So in a case like this, you can clear the browser cache in order to be on the safer side. So let's clear the browser cache and see what is still happening or what is causing the error. So it's still clearing, so I will have to pause this video. So after clearing the cache, let us check this again. So can you see requirement check pass, view details check results? So we don't need it. Click on next step. So we need to click on next step. Click on that. Now the next step is this website URL. Yeah, this is the website URL, is correct. Now the database name, that's why I said we need it. So we'll now come back to this place, create a database. We'll come here, create database. You can say help, you should understand, then create database, so that it will be easy for us to use. Oh fuck, sorry, then I have to log into this place again. So after logging in back to the cPanel, we are going to create the database. You can use this. So create database, then we'll copy it. Before we click on back, we are going to copy it and put it here. So we'll put it here, paste it there, then we'll go back again. So we need to go back and click on go back. So we have created the database. Sorry, we have created the database. Now we need to create the user, so use that also. Escrow, then we'll create password. So if this is the password we want to use, I'll copy it, then click I have copied, and you click on use password. So we have 100/100. I'll first paste the password so that I will not forget. Then I'll come here, I'll click on create user. Then I can now copy this, I'll paste it here. Then as for the database host, I'll use localhost. Then create admin user, I'll click admin as the username. Then for the password, I'll set up my password. Can you say I can use 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 as password. Then I'll put in my email here. So after that, I'll click on, if you have checked everything and everything is okay, click on install now. So it says database credentials are not valid. So why is it not valid? After creating it, I need to add the user and the database together, which I failed to do. So I'll come here, add user to database. I have not done that. Click on Escrow, click on this. So this is the user, this is the database. I'll click on add. Then I'll select all privileges. Then I'll click on make changes. So after that, I'll come back to this place and click on try again. So by doing that, so by doing that, it should work. So it. So the password is what I can't remember. So for us to be on the safer side, I'll click on go back in order to get the password again. So I'll come to this place, I'll come down to this place and click on change password. So I believe you understand what I'm doing. I'll click on password generator to generate another password. I'll look for it, but I think this is okay. I'll copy and use this. So we have 100 over 100. I'll click on change password, change successfully. So I'll come here and paste the password. I'll reset all this again. I'll click on this, then my email also. So once I'm done, I'll click on install now. So after I've done everything very well, it will work. Now result, your system has been installed successfully. Verify by this. Please delete this folder from your server. So before anything, I'll come back to this place. I'll click on OK, click on tools. So no thanks. I'll click on tools. Clicking on tools, it will take me to the cPanel dashboard, and I'll click on file manager. So I'll click on file manager. I'll look for the folder where I have uploaded my scripts to. In order to delete that install, now I'll click on this. Then I'll delete according to them. It said delete the install folder, so I'll click on it. I'll come back to this place, then delete the install folder. So once you have deleted it, you are good to go. So I can come back to this place, go to website and activate. So you can see our website is up and running. So if you have any question, you can kindly drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to reply to your question. And if you have any video, or if you have any website in mind and you want to know how to build it, you can drop it in the comment section too. I'll gladly create a video on how to create that kind of website for you, either by using WordPress or using a PHP script like this. And if you're interested in creating a website like this, either as a developer to create it for your client and make money, or as a business person in order to venture into an escrow service business, I'll drop a link in the description on how to get this script, and also how to get in touch with me if you have one or two questions. Now, without wasting much of our time, this will be the end of the video. So you can see that it is very easy, but if you do not follow the step-by-step procedure to the very end, you might not get it and you might be missing out on a lot of things. So without wasting much of our time, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, come back here and click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, share this video, and also drop a wonderful comment in the comment section. I'll be seeing you in the comment section, and also I'll be seeing you in the next video. Welcome, my name is Daniel, and here is Learn with Crown Tech.